Hey, this is Daniel, your local dryer vent superhero, and today we'll be doing a day in the life of a superhero cleaning out a dryer vent from the roof. First thing we'll do is check the external vent before cleaning. We will then move the appliance with our professional appliance mover. We will then do a camera inspection to see how much lint is actually in the vent. And as you can see here, lots of lint. We will then put our adapter on, our vacuum, and our brush, and we will go in and brush as many times as we need to get it clean. Once the cleaning is complete, we will do a camera inspection to ensure everything is out, and check that outside vent again. And that's it. Make sure to call your local superhero today.